Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing so-called short trips through Thai immigration, and thought about making this video after reading a recent comment on our channel, quoting directly, "I came to Thailand on a 90-day visa, did one border run to Cambodia, then took a trip to Malaysia, to get another 45-day exemption. Was warned by the immigration agent at the airport when I returned to Thailand that if I did another border run by air, I should stay away longer than a few days. Apparently the short trip by air raised a red flag and I could have been denied entry." And then another commenter underneath that also quoted, "They are definitely looking for short trip exits and entries." Yeah, as we've discussed in other videos, and I know there's been some folks out there discussing anecdotally, you can stay in Thailand long periods of time utilizing things like the Thai visa exemption. Look, we've discussed this at length. Thai immigration does not like to see people effectively using tourist visas and visa exemptions to essentially live in Thailand. Even if living in Thailand means you're not here all the time, but like your primary hub is Thailand, yeah, Thai immigration can see that. As we've discussed, it's somewhat analogous to what in the US immigration system one would call being an intending immigrant without proper documentation. Thai immigration doesn't want people utilizing tourist visas or visa exemptions to live in the kingdom. So if you are effectively living here, and it's one of those things, it's what is, I think it was Oliver Wendell Holmes, Justice of the Supreme Court, when talking about obscenity, said, "I don't know what obscenity is, but I know it when I've seen it." You know if you're living in Thailand. Let's be clear. Folks know if they're living here, if their primary place of abode is in Thailand, and if that's the case, and you need to go ahead and get your status in order to be here long term, because relying on the sufferance of Thai immigration, specifically officers, basically a constant favorable exercise of discretion, which is not a foregone conclusion, is not a viable method of living here. And believe me when I say this, I've been here when they did massive crackdowns on people living in Thailand utilizing tourist visas. Folks that had built lives here were effectively locked out and in some cases blacklisted, in fact, or temporarily blacklisted from coming back. It's like building your house on sand. It's not a good idea. If you are going to live in Thailand, it's a very good idea to get a long-term visa and not try to utilize short trips to maintain long-term status here in the kingdom.